Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Together we learn and share knowledge and insights. The first topic of our video is on top 9 best SEO jobs in Pakistan. Before going in detail, video Knowledge Builder requests its viewers to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. The technical term to rank a website or business and show up your online presence on the internet is called SEO. In today's technological age, the worth of SEO is becoming essential across Pakistan, specifically in the major cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, and Faisalabad. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Rapidly, it's becoming the most efficient and fastest way to search the website presence on search engines like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. About 80% of traffic is generated from SERP. With the industrialization in digital marketing trends and SEO techniques and strategies, every year a lot of job opportunities are offered by several SEO companies in Pakistan. The scope of SEO in Pakistan has a great graph, so there are many SEO jobs opportunities and digital marketing jobs in Pakistan. According to Knowledge Builder, there are 11 SEO services in Pakistan. 1 SEO audit. 2 creating keyword strategy. 3 keyword research. 4 content analysis and strategy. 5 on-page optimization. 6 off-page optimization. 7 link building. 8 local SEO. 9 page speed. 10 competitor analysis. 11 reporting. Knowledge Builder will list SEO jobs in Pakistan. 1. SEO internship. An SEO intern is a person that assists the marketing manager on a daily website and social media tasks. Many marketing agencies in Pakistan hire interns for a maximum of 3 months. It will let the intern develop knowledge of marketing and off-site advancement. Keyword analysis, link building, and on-page optimization. Google Analytics, understanding Google Webmaster Tools, Bing Webmaster Tools, resolving 404 crawl errors, and competitive analysis are some of the principal responsibilities of SEO intern. The search engine optimization intern is a person answerable for research, implementation, monitoring, and briefing on customer organic search campaigns. The outstanding prospect will be a quick learner with attention to attribute, passion, and a positive attitude. He will work alongside the SEO specialists and strategists, content strategists, digital media managers, and user experience teams to execute outcomes via combined digital marketing and SEO. Some of its duties include auditing existing websites, competitive research, keyword research and mapping, content writing and optimization, on-page optimization, link building, outreach, monitoring and evaluating results, creating reports on those results for customers. If you are passionate about online marketing, and desire to be part of a fast-paced, tight-knit team, this role may suit you. You will learn a lot of things that can later help you if you had opened up your firm or business. Your capability to explore and write targeted content with the tiniest reversal time will be essential, as it will help to continue to develop an SEO strategy. The capability to interact flawlessly with cross-functional teams and build collaborative relationships will be an extra skill that will surely enhance your work experience and groom your communication skills. 2. SEO content writer. Content writers are always the voice of the business, as they have to tell the customers what they are selling, buying, or offering. But an SEO content writer is a person who has to write blogs for the website with organic and targeted keywords to rank the website at the top of the SERP. Content writers' responsibilities include analyzing industry-related topics, writing search engine optimized copy, writing page titles, meta tags, meta descriptions, headings, alt texts, anchor text, blog writing, blog posting, backlinking, interlinking, keyword research, rank analysis, analyzing content marketing strategies, press release writing, social media descriptions, and news. In short, an SEO content writer is a backbone to rank your blogs on Google and generate traffic to the website. 3. SEO executive. An SEO executive is a person that creates and executes SEO strategies. It's involved in strategic, tactical, and operational levels. An SEO executive's responsibilities include primary keyword research, on-page keyword targeting, link building, checking duplicate content, business listing, daily tasks, on-site and off-site reports, and assisting in SEO blog content. It must work intimately with the marketing team to achieve the marketing goals. SEO executives must have a solid grip on copywriting and analytic skills, understanding of coding methods. Read blog and marketing companies in Islamabad. 4. SEO strategist. SEO strategist is another name of the person who is responsible for analyzing, evaluating, and administering the changes associated with websites in sequence to make them optimized for the search engine. It maximizes the traffic on the website. It defines terms, tasks, and resources related to SEO services in Pakistan. Also, he communicates to customers, team, and executives on strategies or projects to improve timelines and results. Additionally, cooperating on customer policy, keeping an eye on search engine optimization, social media, internet marketing, and the company's blog are also looked after by an SEO strategist. Read more about best off-page SEO techniques. 5. Technical SEO specialist. A technical SEO specialist is the combination of two different positions, an SEO analyst and an SEO practitioner. The technical SEO specialist will perform both on-page and off-page SEO, detect and remove the HTML errors, analyze technical SEO issues, prioritize insights and opinions, reporting, strategically informational reviews, and suggestions. If the team faces any problems related to website ranking or appearance, a technical SEO expert is a person who will be going to resolve the issue ASAP. Besides this, he will also look after what is going on while performing the SEO strategies, whether they are improving the ranking or causing errors. If they are causing errors, then a person has to find the mistake and resolve it. Get to know about web development companies in Pakistan. 6. SEO expert. An SEO expert is an all-rounder here who looks after the whole of SEO department. An SEO expert needs to enter HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, run PPC campaigns on social media platforms to boost profits. Moreover, writing unique content, providing technical support, reviewing search terms, rankings, and analytics, link building, practicing user experience, UX, conversion rate optimization, CRO, driving organic traffic, creating content marketing strategies, and monitoring the algorithms hatched by the search engines like Google, Bing, etc. Gaining experience and becoming an SEO expert in Pakistan can be a good opportunity with a handsome amount and a lengthy list of responsibilities. Read more about real estate marketing companies in Pakistan. 7. SEO analyst. SEO analyst is a part of a marketing department that plays a significant role in preparing a marketing campaign. By using their expertise, an SEO analyst provides insights and user involvement with digital content. In short, they are responsible for making or reshaping the marketing campaign to be more victorious. An SEO analyst is responsible for gathering data of websites, blogs, social media, and e-commerce stores to analyze whether they are visible to the target customer or not, as well as how beneficial these links are for digital resources. In short, website monitoring, reporting on research trends, analyzing web pages and social media trends or pages to get support as an improvement, and also conducting competitor analysis to recognize content errors are the significant duties of an SEO analyst. Get to know about digital marketing trends. 8. SEO link builder. As the name suggests, a link builder is an individual especially hired to work and focus on the backlinking of blogs, articles, etc. They specifically concentrate on boosting their customers' content to other appropriate websites until they connect back to you on their page. There are a bunch of methods to do this, such as blog outreach, active on forums, social media engagement. It's not an easy job as it looks. It takes a lot of time to learn and implement things. The reason is SEO services are transforming day by day with the changing algorithm of Google. So, link building strategies are a bit complex. You'll see yourself juggling between sending follow-up notes while constantly reviewing the quality of backlinks and possible opportunities. It's just a game of creating quality backlinks to boost your blog or website content. Keeping a clear mind in the game will hold you concentrated and results-driven. 9. SEO manager. An SEO manager is a person who works all above the SEO jobs. They are responsible for planning, executing, and managing the website's entire SEO strategy. An SEO manager covers a wide range of duties including website analytics, web marketing, content strategy, link building, keyword searching, and making keyword strategy. Every reputed company hires at least one SEO manager to look after the work done by other team members and to take out the errors and mistakes that are done by them. These mistakes can be taken out by utilizing Google Analytics and Webmaster tools to chase improvement. In simple words, an SEO manager is a person who takes the responsibility for his whole team and is answerable to the higher management of a company. Having an idea of this job, SEO salary in Pakistan can range up to 2 lakhs to 2.50 lakhs. The second topic of our video is on 10 best affiliate marketing websites in Pakistan. In this era, everyone has access to the internet. It is said by many experts that in the future, the internet is going to be an essential commodity for human beings as oxygen. Moreover, we can't neglect the importance of social media platforms that are playing a massive role in promoting and expanding businesses. While talking about affiliate marketing, it's profitable for both affiliate marketers and retailers. Are you planning to dip your toes into affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? We all are familiar with marketing, advertisement of a business, product, or services using digital channels or mediums like top trending social media platforms, blogs, YouTube, or websites. Now the question is, what is meant by affiliate? Affiliate meant officially attached or connected. Putting them together gives us a meaning of advertising or promoting a business or product by compensating with third-party publishers to get a commission from the retailer. These third-party publishers are the affiliates. If you are new to the marketing field, you can read our blog about the marketing ideas for new business in Pakistan. How to start affiliate marketing in Pakistan. There is no rocket science in it. Following are the required steps to become a part of affiliate marketing companies in Pakistan. Steps to start affiliate marketing in Pakistan. Decide a platform. Choose your niche. Pick the affiliate programs. Generate exceptional content. Generate traffic to your channel, blog, or site. Boost affiliate connections. Types of affiliated programs. There are 3 different types of affiliated programs which must be chosen before getting started with the affiliate marketing websites in Pakistan. Low-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. High-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. High-paying, low-volume affiliate programs. You can also read our blog, How to Become a Successful Marketing Agent. Knowledge Builder will show you a list of top 10 websites offering affiliate marketing in Pakistan. Affiliate marketing has become a beneficial method for millions of people worldwide to make money in their comfort zone. There are various affiliate marketing companies in Pakistan, and all of them are different commission percentages for their affiliate marketers. Below we have mentioned a list of the top 10 sites offering affiliate marketing in Pakistan. Get to know about Amazon services in Pakistan. 1. Clickbank. Clickbank is an e-commerce retailer affiliate website where you can find all kinds of digital information products, a digital product that carries information or specific data. It was established in 1998 by Tim and Eileen Barber. It has more than 6 million customers globally, which led Clickbank to become the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. It's a subsidiary of Kinetics Incorporated, one of the largest privately owned technology companies. Its headquarters are in the United States. It pays up to 70% commission on each sale of a product, which will be paid weekly. Clickbank has grown to be a top 100 internet retailer and a leader in the digital e-commerce industry. 2. Amazon. Every jungle or kingdom has a king like a lion, just as the Amazon is the king of affiliate marketing programs. It was founded in July 1994 by Jeff Bezos. Basically, it's an American electronic commerce company specialized in selling electronic products like video and MP3 streaming, food, furniture, DVDs, CDs, VHS, video games, toys, jewelry, books, e-books, and much more. The headquarters of the company is in Seattle, Washington, USA. The best thing about Amazon affiliate marketing in Pakistan is you can easily earn money online from the comfort of your home by signing up for the Amazon affiliate program Pakistan. However, there are a lot of people who don't even know whether Amazon works in Pakistan or not. Recently, it's been launched in Pakistan. Millions of affiliate marketers globally are making large sums of money from Amazon associate affiliate programs. 3. AliExpress. AliExpress is the most popular online shopping marketplace which is owned by Alibaba. It was established in 2010 to promote small businesses in Singapore and China. It offers several products to international online buyers. If we talk about the most visited online shopping website, AliExpress will stand out from the crowd. It was also the 10th most popular website in Brazil. About 3% to 9% of the commission on each sale is delivered to affiliate marketers. It has spread its network all over the world. The best thing about AliExpress is the sellers are independent and utilize the platform to offer products to customers. Initially, AliExpress began as a B2B, business-to-business online buying and selling portal. The website is available in various languages including English, Dutch, Spanish, Turkish, Portuguese, French, Italian, German, Polish, Indonesian, and Russian. 4. Bluehost. Bluehost is a private e-commerce online marketplace founded in 2012 by Munib Meyer, Faris Shah, Rocket Internet, a European internet company. It is the first logistics company in South Asia and the Southeast Asia region that operates in Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Bluehost offers up to 11% commission on each sale. It's simple to start on Bluehost. You only need to create an account as a Bluehost seller and start selling your products. It is an online store where you can buy or sell a lot of stuff like clothes, home devices, mobile phones, electronics, and much more. Many well-known leading brands had affiliated with Bluehost just by a one-step Bluehost seller login. 5. Goto. Everyone buys or sells products via the internet through affiliate marketing in Pakistan. We have mentioned goto.com.pk in the list of best sites offering affiliate marketing in Pakistan. It was founded in 2015 and specialized in selling electronics, technology, health products, clothes, and home decor items. It's the most reliable and hassle-free affiliate program in Pakistan, with more than 500,000 products. The commission is paid to you monthly. But remember, Goto offers a commission based on category. The best thing about goto.com.pk is it doesn't need a website to register. That means, if someone does not have their website, they are still able to be a part of affiliate marketing in Pakistan. 6. Gomart. Gomart is an online food and grocery store. It's an international company that was established in 1914. Later on, the company has grown and opened branches in different countries including Pakistan, UAE. More than 5,000 products and 200 brands are affiliated with Gomart.pk. You can easily find anything over here. The affiliate program is free and allows affiliates to gain revenue by putting links on their site, which represents Gomart.pk. Gomart is the 53rd largest service store in the United States. The product ranges from rice, dals, spices, seasonings to packaged products, beverages, personal care products, frozen and non-perishable groceries, health and beauty supplies, household, gift, and baby items. That is why Gomart.pk is one of the best affiliate marketing in Pakistan. 7. Inspedium. Inspedium is one of the best affiliate marketing companies in Pakistan that offers facilities related to web hosting. It's one of the best online sources that help people develop websites or blogs and affiliate with Inspedium and earn money in return. It also encourages people to learn marketing techniques and adores your content as well. It's totally free to join. Some of the interesting points of the Inspedium affiliate program include no website needed, commission at 30%, cookie age, multi-tiered, promotional material, video guideline, and sign-up bonus. From all of the affiliate marketing websites in Pakistan, Inspedium gives the highest commission. One of the benefits of Inspedium is that it gives the 90-day cookie period. 8. Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting company founded by Matt Heaton in 2003. Since then, it has worked hard and achieved all the remarkable goals. Bluehost is controlled by Endurance International Group. It is the 20th largest web host, collectively hosting over 2 million domains. It offers several hosting including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. Additionally, it also offers professional marketing services. The best part is it's free to join and gives a maximum commission. What you have to do is simply promote Bluehost by posting banners and links on your websites or social media accounts. For every person who will click on your provided link and sign up, you will get $65 by Bluehost. The commission is paid to you monthly. The most attractive and best part is there is no need for a website to register. That means, if someone does not have their website, they can also be a part of affiliate marketing in Pakistan. 9. Alibaba. Alibaba is also known as Alibaba Group, is a Chinese multinational technology company. It was established in 1999 by Jack Ma. It is one of the best e-commerce affiliate marketing websites in Pakistan. The website is specialized in offering e-commerce retail, internet, and technology products. The company also provides the C2C, consumer to consumer, B2C, business to consumer, and B2B, business to business selling services through web portals. Besides this, it is also specialized in offering electronic payment services, shopping search engines, and cloud computing services. It is one of the most important corporations and the 31st largest public company globally on the list of Forbes Global 2020. Alibaba is also one of the most preferable online stores to shop for all kinds of electronic items. In 2018, it became the second Asian company. It is the sixth highest global brand valuation. 10. Waygo. Waygo is a travel meta search engine that has spread its network in almost 76 countries with 22 languages and currencies. It is used to book flights, hotels, and holiday deals. The main use of the website is to compare the local and international airfares and hotel search results from online travel agencies, OTA, airlines, and hotels. In the start, it's announced as Bezirk, later on, name declared as Waygo. Its core markets are found in Asia Pacific, Middle East, and India. Currently, it's listed in the top 5 most popular app in the iOS and Play Store travel section. A lot of smartphone brands like Samsung, Apple, and Huawei are the partner with Waygo. Pia, Air Blue, Emirates, and Air Arabia are the companies that are affiliated with Waygo. These all are the things that make Waygo one of the top site having affiliate marketing in Pakistan. The third topic of our video is on how digital marketing helps business to grow in 2022. Table of content. What is marketing? Types of marketing. How digital marketing helps businesses to grow. Why choose digital marketing? Why is digital marketing important? 1. What is marketing? Marketing comes from the word market and refers to those activities that are undertaken by companies to promote their products or services. It is also used to identify a company's ideal customers. A quote by Tom Fishburne is famous among people that goes like this: "The best marketing doesn't feel like marketing." 2. Types of marketing. It totally depends on the service or product needs. What kind of marketing suits your business? If you are running a restaurant, do you choose to market your business by email marketing? Obviously not. Because for a restaurant, all you need to do on priority is brand building. Then after that, you will start doing outbound marketing, inbound marketing, and create a digital marketing strategy to grow your business more efficiently. Here are the tips to optimize your blog for search engine ranking. So, it shows various types of marketing are chosen according to the business nature. Below we are going to write down the types of marketing. Outbound marketing, traditional marketing, inbound marketing, digital marketing, search engine marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, SMM, video marketing, voice marketing, email marketing, conversational marketing, SMS marketing, stealth marketing, influencer marketing, acquisition marketing, contextual marketing, brand marketing, native marketing, affiliate marketing, product marketing, account-based marketing, ABM, campus marketing, event marketing, online marketing, multicultural marketing, field marketing, customer marketing. 3. How digital marketing helps businesses to grow. You must need to know the factors that make customers choose your service or product. Before starting business marketing and brand building, first, you have to search and compile its good factors that can attract a customer and engage with your service or product. Marketing is helpful to grow your business more efficiently. Some of the advantages of marketing are given below: helpful in raising brand awareness, brings new and returning clients, engage customers, expanded business share, helps in optimal utilization of sources, aids in providing insights into your business. Marketing helps business to maintain relevance, boost sales, develop a relationship between a business and its consumers, build and maintain the company's reputation. It's not 100% secure because not all campaigns are successful. Some can not be beneficial for brand building. The reasons behind this scenario can be not properly researched and planned work, implementation of any marketing to grow your business without understanding the business nature, without creating any strategy, providing wrong information. 4. Why choose digital marketing? Well, we all are familiar with digital marketing as we discussed in our old blogs, as well as we have also mentioned the best digital marketing blogs and online digital marketing courses that can help you to become a successful marketing agent. Digital marketing has become an essential part of brand building in this modern era. The reason behind this, the majority of businesses depend on online marketing because the customers always search online before buying any product or service. 5. Why is marketing important? After complete research work, the S2's marketing concludes a result to answer those people. Let's have a look. Whenever you start a business, even a hotel, restaurant, school, or marketing company, you always find your competitor in the market to compete with you. Don't you? Marketing your brand or business is the only way to gain a competitive advantage over your competitor. It's called an aggressive way of marketing. It doesn't mean to stand in front of the competitor and become sleazy or negative. You just have to take a look at what your concerned market is expecting from you, which gives them a better experience as compared to your competitor. The final topic of our video is on top digital marketing blogs in 2022. A bitter truth in the field of digital marketing is, it keeps changing with the new trends. It will not be wrong if we say, what works today will work tomorrow. If you are struggling and facing a lot of challenges, there is always someone who will help out you that are called bloggers. Bloggers are specialized in various digital marketing strategies and marketing niches. Digital marketing is a way to brand your business or company via online marketing and get engaged with the potential customers. The way of branding includes the social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, web-based advertising, emails, and SMS. To get interacted with people and introduce your brand or business, you need to work on its marketing, which means you have to make your business a brand so that the customers get engaged and you might get the leads. 1. Content Marketing Institute. Content is something that your blog runs on. Content is the most essential part to run a digital marketing campaign. Content Marketing Institute is a place where they teach you how content is useful to market your brand and why a blogger must need content writing skills. As well as they will also help you to grow your business with the best digital marketing strategies. Content Marketing Institute is one of the leading digital marketing agencies in the field of best digital marketing blogs. Joe Pulizzi is the founder of the institute. Usually, the blogs of the institute are written on content strategies. CMI offers the best content marketers advice to share the best digital marketing blog idea with readers. 2. Moz Blog. Moz is a blog where you can find the solutions you are facing in SEO and inbound marketing. It's usually known for its SEO tool. Moz has the industry's best experts to share their opinion on Moz blog by sharing their experience and telling what to do and what not to do. Moz blog is the best to get up to date about all new trends of online marketing. It is the top leading digital marketing company that offers blogs including the proven screenshots of the relevant blog. It was founded in 2004 by Rand Fishkin and Gillian Muessig. They started with a blog, later on they introduced a SEO tool. 3. S2's Marketing. S2's Marketing is a digital marketing company that offers web development, SMM, content marketing, and digital marketing blog idea. S2's Marketing's full form is Sea to Sky Marketing. That means it covers all the ongoing and upcoming trends of digital marketing. It is the first digital marketing agency that shares expert opinions to encourage marketers. S2's Mark has written different articles to provide a complete digital marketing course to beginners. S2's Marketing was founded in 2019 by Yasser Ali Messid. It has written a lot of current trends and best digital marketing blogs. 4. Copy Blogger. A blog is incomplete without the title. Copy Blogger teaches you how to write down the digital marketing blog titles and make them readable to users. The main objection of copy bloggers is to educate people about digital marketing trends and make them ready to face the challenges. Copy Bloggers was founded by Brian Clark. 5. Marketing Land. Marketing Land usually has the content on industry news, industry trends, important future launches, and tips and tricks in terms of digital marketing blogs. Marketing Land is the second blog publication of Search Engine Land. They also wrote various blogs on social media strategies and email marketing. Marketing Land was founded by Danny Sullivan. If you want to become a successful marketing agent, you must read their blogs to get inspired. 6. Neil Patel's blog. Neil Patel is a well-known name in the field of digital marketing. He is a British entrepreneur born on April 14, 1985, in London. He is famously known for his best digital marketing blogs and as the author of Ubersuggest, a popular SEO tool. His digital marketing blog ideas present a treasure of insight into email marketing, SEO, social media marketing, digital marketing, and content marketing. He is one of the best digital marketers that has successfully built his own companies like Crazy Egg and Cosmetrics. He always keeps his audience updated about every update in Digital Marketing Ideas 2022. If you are looking for insights that can help you drive results for your marketing plan, Neil's blog is the best option. His posts highlight engaging content, fundamentally in video and podcast formats that are useful. At one time, he was involved in tens of projects. His best and well-known projects are Crazy Egg, Cosmetrics, Neil Patel Digital, SEO tool Ubersuggest, and his victorious podcast Marketing School. His digital marketing blogs are always full of knowledge. 7. Social Media Examiner. Social Media Examiner is a US-based company founded by Michael Stelzner in October 2009. The website is usually known for publishing online magazines, blogs, and podcasts related to the market, so people understand how to use social media and digital marketing for their businesses. They share their information and advise people on how to deal with social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. Social Media Examiner is also mentioned in many books, including Loyal Profitable Network Using the Social Web, Charting the Path to Small Business Success, and The New Relationship Marketing. As they always share research and compiled data with the audience, these insights help marketers formulate powerful social media strategies on different social media or digital marketing channels. Most probably, the digital marketing blogs by SME include social media trends, news, podcasts, interviews with experts, and summaries of the newest research. 8. The Consultancy. The Consultancy was founded in 1999 by Ashley Friedland. The blog range starts from the entire digital marketing spectrum and dives into other particular industries like social media marketing and email marketing. They educate the people for brand marketing so that both can understand the methods and integrate innovative trends. The Consultancy is a place where you can learn how to market your brand and why a digital marketer needs marketing skills. They will also help you to grow your business with the best digital marketing trends with all updates. When it comes to discovery and the newest toward digital marketing, the Consultancy always comes top of the list. They have hired the world's best digital marketing experts to share their viewpoint on a consultancy by sharing their knowledge and telling them what to do and what not to do. 9. Search Engine Journal. As the name hints, it is all about SEO, search engine optimization. Search Engine Journal is famously known as the go-to source for SEO news. The data sources are directly associated with Google. It shares all advanced tips around SEO, digital marketing, and PPC fields. It was discovered in 2003 by Lauren Baker, who is also an advisor at Alpha Brand Media and runs Foundation Digital. Sedge believes in empowering and educating the SEO community and also shares the latest reports and freshest trends by industry professionals. If you are in search of the most advanced algorithm update, Sedge is one of the best digital marketing blogs you should check out. They have hired extremely highly qualified digital marketers to drive the best to their audience. 10. SEMrush. SEMrush is a platform used for keyword research and online ranking data, search volume and CPC. They are known for sharing one of the top best digital marketing blogs. The platform is also working as a tool that collects data from the search engines like Google and Bing. It was founded in 2008 by Oleg Shchegolev and Dmitry Melnikov. The key reason for this tool's invention was to gather online keywords. The blog section is very informative and full of knowledge. They shared all updates about their website or the upcoming trends on their blog. SEMrush is the very first and one of the top priority digital marketing blogs for industry experts. Its content presents valuable advice on everything extending from optimizing websites to link building tactics and everything that comes in between. It also helps readers build knowledge of any new algorithm settings so that your brand doesn't drop a beat. They have remote workers all over the world, including Boston, Philadelphia, Czech Republic, Cyprus, and Russia. 11. Backlinko. Backlinko is one of the leading digital marketing blogs that can offer you the best solution regarding SMM, SEO, and marketing queries. But we can say behind the stage of Backlinko there is Brian Dean. Basically, he is an international SEO expert that guides online SEO techniques. Backlinko teaches via his blogs to help in understanding how to grow businesses and organic traffic on websites with ingenious SEO strategies. The Backlinko is one of the top digital marketing blogs that keep its visitors up to date on all new trends of SEO. His blog topics include content marketing, copywriting, social media marketing, SMM, SEO, Facebook ads, email marketing, and Google ads. 12. Hubspot. Hubspot is an American developer and marketer known for teaching inbound marketing, sales, and customer services. It was founded by Brian Halligan and Dharmesh Shah in 2006. We can say it's a digital library consisting of multifarious ebooks and guides. HubSpot helps entrepreneurs with their latest marketing insights, concepts, and inspirations to support them to market in a wiser and faster way. In a report, it is estimated that HubSpot generated $255,000 in revenue in 2007. Later in 2010, it was increased to $15.6 million. It mainly provides the tools for social media marketing, content management, web analytics, landing pages, customer support, and search engine optimization. 13. RFs. If you are looking for the best tutorials to learn digital marketing, SEO, and content marketing, then RFs is the best place for you. You can find many more things in one place, including keyword research, link building, website analytics, and much more. Here, you can easily find the solution to your problems related to online marketing with the case studies by the industry's top experts. It was founded by Dmitry Gerasimenko, who created the largest SEO service provider that, according to Euler estimates, earns $4.4 million in a year. His articles help you understand and analyze the possibilities of ranking your website on Google, the organic traffic, and the maximum reach of the website. He provides his readers with the best and new methods to enhance the quality of your company in the market. Conclusion on topic 1. So, these were the top-rated SEO jobs offered by many reputed companies in several job portals like Indeed, Rosie.pk and Mustaqbal. These portals are providing thousands of SEO jobs in Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, and other cities of Pakistan. Conclusion on topic 2. So these were the top 10 affiliate marketing websites in Pakistan that have become a great way to earn money online with a secure and hassle-free process. All you have to do is recognize the needs of your target audience, find your market and services, and last but not least, modify your website for affiliate marketing purposes. Conclusion on topic 3. So, these are the things that help a business to grow and become well known. We hope that you have gotten your all answers related to the term marketing. Conclusion on topic 4. So above mentioned are the top bloggers that know how to teach and how to follow the upcoming trend of the industry. Might be any of the mentioned bloggers will help out you to solve the problem that you are facing in marketing. If you want to jump into this vast industry and start a business, you may read about the small investment ideas in Pakistan. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Together we learn and share knowledge and insights. The first topic of our video is on top 9 best SEO jobs in Pakistan. Before going in detail, video Knowledge Builder requests its viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The technical term to rank a website or business and show up your online presence on the internet is called SEO. In today's technological age, the worth of SEO is becoming essential across Pakistan, specifically in the major cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, and Faisalabad.